Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot recording audio on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So when we speak about troubleshooting audio, basically we refer to output audio like through speakers, through headphones, whatever is the output from the system. And input audio means what we're giving to the system, possibly through a microphone. So right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound in the right pane, and make sure that the correct input device is selected here and that it should be ringing whenever we are speaking on the mic. But if that doesn't happen, then return to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on the audio troubleshooter run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Should that not help, then you can try the second solution, which is to search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows audio service, right click on it and then select restart. And lastly, you can update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and click on device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Simply right click and update all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.